Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Doris Etito. In this video, I'll show you how to make moi-moi in leaves. Moi-moi in leaves is one of my favorite way of eating moi-moi. The taste is delicious, the aroma is divine. Here are the ingredients we'll be using to make this moi-moi. For this recipe, we'll be needing 3 cups of black-eyed beans, red chili pepper, Scotch bonnet, onions, deboned flaked mackerel fish, boiled eggs, vegetable oil, seasoning cubes, nutmeg, salt to taste, and our moi-moi leaves, also known as banana leaves. To begin, peel your beans like so. I'm peeling my beans with my hands. I'll put a link in the description box on how I peel these beans with my hands. Once you are done peeling the beans, soak the beans in water for about 1 to 2 hours, just so the beans softens before you grind it. If you grind your beans without soaking it, you will not enjoy the moi-moi because the moi-moi will not roll in your tongue when you are eating it. So make sure you soak your beans before you grind it. Wash your moi-moi leaves in salted water, rinse in cool water, and set aside. We're going to grind our beans. We've soaked our beans for about 2 hours. Okay, so I'm grinding the beans with some pepper, onions, crayfish. Okay, so I'm going to blend these beans until it is very smooth. After blending the beans, I'll transfer the beans batter into a big enough bowl, and I'm going to add the vegetable oil. I'll give it a good mix. I'm adding the nutmeg, also adding some fresh pepper sliced. Make sure to dissolve your seasoning cubes in hot water. So I have dissolved the seasoning cubes in hot water and I'm adding it to the moi-moi batter. I'm adding some salt, also I'm adding some water to get the right consistency that I need for this moi-moi. Make sure you don't add too much water so the moi-moi can form properly. That is the right consistency I want. That is the consistency I want for this moi-moi. Okay, so I'm adding the deboned flaked mackerel fish. You can use any stuffing of your choice. You can use corned beef, you can use sardine, you can use chicken, you can use anything of your choice, any stuffing of your choice. So I'm adding fish. So I just added fish to the moi-moi batter. I'm giving it a good mix. And I'm going to wrap the moi-moi now. Okay, to wrap the moi-moi, place 2 leaves together, fold in the shape of a cone, and then you bend the end of the moi-moi leaves to the back. And then scoop in some moi-moi batter, add the boiled egg or more stuffing of your choice, and then fold the moi-moi gently. Then keep aside. Then repeat the process. If you mix it the first time, if you don't get it right like me that have moi-moi batter spill all over the moi-moi leaves, don't worry, give it another try. Okay, so place 2 leaves together again, fold in the shape of a cone, and then pour in the moi-moi batter, maybe 1 or 2 scoops, and then add the boiled egg or more stuffing of your choice. Then seal the moi-moi like so, press in the middle and then fold in the other side. Perfect. Yeah, we got it. Okay, repeat the process until you are done wrapping all the moi-moi. Wrapping moi-moi in leaves can be quite challenging. Okay, so if you mix it the first time, continue, just keep repeating it until you get it right. In fact, you can see that the first wrap I did was not so perfect. In fact, I had moi-moi spilled all over the leaves, but keep on doing it and then you get it right. Okay, moi-moi in leaves is so delicious, it's tasty, it gives so much flavor, so much aroma. In fact, you eat and eat and eat until you're tired. Okay, it's so delicious, it's tasty, it's nice. Once you're done wrapping your moi-moi, get a wide enough pot. Okay, then place some moi-moi leaves in the pot to cover the pot, and then add some water to the pot, preferably hot water to the pot, so the moi-moi start cooking immediately. Then arrange the moi-moi like so in the pot. If you have a steamer, you can place the steamer at the base of the pot. I don't have a steamer, so I'm just using the moi-moi leaves. Okay, so after adding moi-moi leaves at the base of the pot, arrange the moi-moi like so, and then place some more leaves at the top to trap in all the steam, and then cover the pot and allow to cook for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Do well to keep an eye on the moi-moi, checking it often, and then adding more water when necessary to the pot, just so the moi-moi will not burn. After about 15 minutes, our moi-moi is ready. This moi-moi tastes so delicious. I hope you try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Thank you always for liking this video. Thank you always for subscribing. Okay, please do well to give this video a like. Do well to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and do well to share this video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. I don't waka.